السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's lesson we are going to learn more ways on how to give a bad news. Okay, but before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe, like the video الإعجاب بالقناة لتشجيعي ودعمي, and comment كتابة تعليق, and why not share the video with all your friends. Let's start the lesson. So you can say, please do not take this badly, but please do not take this badly, but وهنا تخبره بالأمر السيء الذي ترغب في الحديث فيه. Please do not take this badly, but repeat. It is my unfortunate duty to tell you that. It's my unfortunate duty to tell you that. Duty واجب. Unfortunate للأسف. Repeat. There is no easy way to say this, but there is no easy way to say this, but وهنا أيضا تخبرهم بعد كلمة but تخبرهم بالأمر السيء الذي ترغب في الحديث عنه. Repeat. I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but نعيد slowly. I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but unfortunately للأسف وبعدها تبدأ في الحديث عن الأمر المؤسف أو الخبر المحزن الذي تود الحديث عنه. Unfortunately. Repeat. I tried, but وهنا مثلا تقول أنا حاولت الشيء الذي حاولت القيام به، لكن وتخبرهم بالنتيجة. I tried. try سي محاولة. I tried, but and you can say also, I need to warn you that I have some bad news. I need to warn you that I have some bad news. I need to warn you. Warn you تحذيرك. أنا أحذرك. I have some bad news. أن لدي بعض الأخبار السيئة. I'm afraid I have got some bad news. I am afraid I have got some bad news. Let's repeat. I am afraid I have got some bad news. Yes. I regret to inform you of وتخبرهم بالأمر. نعيد slowly. I regret to inform you of. I regret to inform you of. I've got some news. I've got some news. I have got some news. I have got some news. والنقاط تعني أنك تخبرهم بالأخبار. I'm sorry, but I have got something bad to tell you. I'm sorry, but I've got something bad to tell you, or something sad to tell you. sad وتعني محزن حزين. نعيد ببطء. I am sorry, but I have got something sad to tell you. I feel really bad having to tell you this, but I feel really bad having to tell you this, but نعيد ببطء. I feel really bad having to tell you this, but I do not know how to announce this, but I do not know. لا ينطق كنو خطأ. نقول no. I do not know how to announce this, but I'm afraid I won't be able to. I'm afraid I won't be able to. نعيد لكن ببطء. I am afraid. I am afraid I won't be able to. I am afraid I won't be able to. Sorry, but something bad happened. Sorry, but something bad happened. Sorry, but something bad happened. Repeat. I know it's not something easy to accept, but I know it's not something easy to accept, but I know it is not something easy to accept, but I feel sad to tell you that. I feel sad to tell you that. نعيد لكن ببطء. I feel sad to tell you that. I feel sad to tell you that. وهنا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الفيديو. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم ولو بالقليل. أراكم في الحلقة القادمة إن شاء الله. لا تنسوا دعمي باشتراك لايك الفيديو، الإعجاب بالفيديو، كتابة تعليق ومشاركة الفيديو مع كل أصدقائكم. See you!